Good morning, students. In critical understanding of ICT in education, today we are going to study about Indian initiative in open source software along with sharing of digital content. Indian initiative in open source software and sharing of digital content is a Digital India initiative. Now, Digital India, a flagship program of Government of India, is based on policy related to open source. In 2015, Department of Electronics and Information Technology of Ministry of Communication and Information Technology released three major policies related to open source. These policies are quite comprehensive and are potential game changers. Now, Indian government policies related to open source. Here we are having three policies. First is policy on adoption of open source software for Government of India. In view of the National Policy on Information Technology, policy on adoption of open source software for Government of India is released to encourage the formal adoption and use of open source software in government organization. To ensure strategic control in e-government application and systems that define framework for adoption of OSS along with reducing the total cost of ownership are core objective of the policy. Second, policy on collaborative application development by opening the source code of government application. The policy collaborative application development by opening the source code of government application intends to increase the pace of e-governance application development and rapid rollout along with implementation of adopting an open source development model based on current worldwide practices like GitHub and SourceForge. By this policy, the Government of India wants to promote reuse of existing developed application. Third is policy on open application programming interfaces, that is APIs for Government of India, for promoting open standard for software interoperability across various government departments and agencies. Government of India has framed this policy. The worldwide initiatives on open government also focus on these open APIs to easily access the information collected by government organization. This policy sets out the government approach on the use of open AIs to promote software interoperability for all e-governance applications and systems.